Hi everyone, welcome back to Use Bootstrap offline or locally without internet. So what we should do now, I've written some files, code, and I started it with Bootstrap, but right now I don't have the Bootstrap. So to use Bootstrap offline, what we should do, first of all, we'll come to the Bootstrap website, okay, to the download section, and here to the compile CSS and JavaScript file. Okay, we will just come and download this. Okay, the file is downloading. Yeah, that has downloaded. Okay, let's come to the download section. The file has downloaded, so now let's extract it. I will extract files. Where I should extract? Where I have created my folder where I have written my code. Okay, I will extract it there to the desktop and on the test folder, and I will create a folder in there. In this folder I would like to extract in this folder. Okay, in the test, here I will create by the name of Bootstrap. I will create this folder and just come here and refresh it. So let's come to the download, extract files, and the desktop and test, and in the Bootstrap. Okay, extract them there. After extraction, so let's see it. Come to the desktop, test. We have right now Bootstrap and in the CSS and JavaScript. Let's move it there and come here and just delete this folder. Version 5.2, we have the CSS file. We will just write the link to this file. Okay, bootstrap.min.css, bootstrap.min.css to this file, and JavaScript. Right now we don't need JavaScript. If you'd like to link the JavaScript also, so we can link that with the bundle.min.js with this one. Okay, so let's write the link now. Come here and just write link. Okay, in the style sheet, what should I write? I will write we have in the same directory Bootstrap folder and the CSS, then bootstrap.min.css. okay, come here. Yes, bootstrap.min.css, this one I will link this. Okay, let's refresh it. Let's come and run our project. Let's run this. Okay, right now it has designed with that link. If I come into this one, see it, right now I don't have the internet. Okay, I am offline. Okay, and I commented this. Let's refresh it. See it, it is not designed. So let's back, remove the comment, and let's refresh it again. See it, it has designed with the Bootstrap navbar and also left and right side. So it was all about how to use the Bootstrap locally. You will just do like this. Thanks for watching.